video, you feel me, all bundled up. Because you know, it's winter time, it done got cold. So your boy don't mess with the cold, so you know, gotta bundle up. But yeah, guys, you seen the title. The day is the day. And I know I say it a lot in the videos that, you know, I get that work done, but you guys know. You guys seen the last video. I had to get the tints removed. You see me riding around, complete fishbowl, except for the cooler windows. But yeah, tinting came in, guys. As you guys can see, got a riding passenger seat with me. You know, on my way to my boy tint shop. So you feel me? He can put it on for me. So yeah, guys, you feel I'm getting it on the not on the windshield this time yet. I gotta see how it looks on the sides and rear. So that's how I'm gonna put it on. The sides and the rear. It's 421 now already. Probably by the time we get done, it might be a little dark. But yeah, guys, woo! I've been riding on fishbowls long enough. Oh, I hate it. Yeah, guys, time to get smacked right back up. Already YouTube, you feel me? Fresh out the shop. It is dark outside, so you feel me? You guys not gonna be able to get a good view of it just quite yet. So catch that in the next video. I'm gonna give you guys a quick glimpse what it looks like on the inside at nighttime. Real quick and see if you feel me. Guess it down in the comments below what type of tint did I get. Okay, so you feel me? I have nothing on the windshield. Windshield is bare, and heavy on the sides. None of the shield in this side. So, what you guys think the tint is? And you guys can see this is what it looks like at night. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the full reveal in my next video. So if you haven't, you know, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely stay tuned. And comment down below what type of tint you think I got, guys. But until next time, guys.